In today's dynamic business environment, effective project management is paramount for success. Whether you're a small team juggling multiple tasks or a large enterprise overseeing complex projects, having the right tools can significantly impact your efficiency, collaboration, and ultimately your bottom line. Two software solutions that often come up in discussions about project management are Scoro and task management software, often represented by tools like Asana, Trello, or Monday.com. While both aim to improve organization and productivity, they cater to different needs and offer distinct sets of features. As a project management expert, I often encounter businesses grappling with the decision of which type of software best suits their operations. This video will delve into a comprehensive comparison between Scoro and task management software, highlighting their core functionalities, strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use cases. By understanding the nuances of each, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your specific project management requirements and organizational goals. Understanding the core functionalities. To effectively compare Scoro and task management software, it's crucial to first understand their primary functionalities. Task management software. At its heart, task management software focuses on organizing and tracking individual tasks and to-do items. These tools typically offer features such as task creation and assignment. Users can create tasks, define deadlines, assign them to team members, and set priorities. Task lists and views. Tasks can be organized into lists, boards like Kanban, calendars, or timelines, providing different visual perspectives on the workload. Collaboration features. Many task management tools facilitate team collaboration through comments, file sharing, and at mentions within tasks. Progress tracking. Users can often mark tasks as complete, track their progress, and get an overview of project status. Notifications and reminders. The software usually sends notifications for upcoming deadlines or task updates to keep everyone informed. Examples of popular task management software include Asana, Trello, Monday.com, ClickUp, and Any.do. These tools excel at breaking down projects into manageable tasks and ensuring that team members are aware of their responsibilities and deadlines. Scoro, on the other hand, positions itself as an end-to-end project management software designed for professional services businesses. While it inherently includes robust task management capabilities, its feature set extends far beyond basic task tracking. Scoro aims to integrate all aspects of a project lifecycle, from initial quoting and planning to resource management, time tracking, invoicing, and reporting. Key features of Scoro include project planning and scheduling. Scoro allows users to create detailed project plans, define milestones, dependencies, and allocate resources effectively using Gantt charts and other visual tools. Quoting and budgeting. The software enables the creation of professional quotes and the establishment of project budgets, tracking estimated versus actual costs and revenues. Resource management. Scoro provides insights into team availability and workload, allowing for efficient allocation of resources across projects and preventing over- or underutilization. Time tracking. Integrated time tracking features allow team members to log their billable and non-billable hours directly against tasks and projects. Invoicing and financial management. Scoro facilitates the creation and sending of invoices based on track time, fixed fees, or project milestones, and often integrates with accounting software. Customer relationship management. CRM. Some Scoro plans include CRM functionalities for managing customer accounts, tracking sales pipelines, and nurturing client relationships. Reporting and analytics. Scoro offers comprehensive reporting dashboards that provide real-time visibility into project progress, financial performance, team utilization, and other key metrics. Scoro is designed to be a central hub for managing all aspects of a professional services business, ensuring that project delivery is efficient, profitable, and aligned with overall business goals. Scoro's strengths. A comprehensive solution. Scoro's primary strength lies in its all-in-one nature. By integrating various functionalities into a single platform, it offers several advantages. Seamless workflow. The integration of sales, project management, resource planning, time tracking, and invoicing eliminates the need to switch between multiple disparate tools, streamlining workflows and reducing administrative overhead. For instance, once a quote is approved in Scoro, it can be seamlessly converted into a project plan with predefined tasks and resource allocations. Enhanced visibility. Scoro provides a holistic view of project performance, financial health, and team utilization. Project managers can easily monitor progress against budget, track profitability in real time, and identify potential issues early on. This comprehensive visibility enables proactive decision-making and helps keep projects on track. Improved resource management. With its resource planning features, Scoro allows businesses to optimize the allocation of their team members based on their availability and skills. This ensures that the right people are working on the right tasks at the right time, maximizing efficiency and preventing burnout. Accurate financial tracking. The integrated time tracking and invoicing functionalities in Scoro ensure accurate billing and revenue recognition. Billable hours are directly linked to projects and tasks, simplifying the invoicing process and reducing the risk of errors. Data-driven insights. Scoro's reporting and analytics capabilities provide valuable insights into project profitability, team performance, and overall business health. These data-driven insights empower businesses to make informed decisions, identify areas for improvement, and optimize their operations. 1. sg.sekitaarnews.id sg.sekitaarnews.id. Scoro is particularly well-suited for professional services firms such as marketing agencies, consulting firms, IT service providers, and architectural practices that require a comprehensive solution to manage client projects from start to finish. Task management software strengths. Simplicity and flexibility. Task management software, while not as comprehensive as Scoro, offers its own set of distinct advantages. Ease of use. Task management tools are generally known for their intuitive interfaces and ease of adoption. Their focus on core task management features often makes them less complex to learn and use compared to more comprehensive platforms like Scoro. This can lead to quicker onboarding and higher user adoption rates, especially for teams that are new to project management software. Flexibility and adaptability. Many task management tools offer a high degree of flexibility in how tasks and projects can be organized and visualized. Features like customizable boards, lists, and tags allow teams to tailor the software to their specific workflows and preferences. For example, a team using a Kanban methodology might heavily rely on the board view in Trello or Asana.